This final lesson of Unit 1 covers Spanish conjunctions. These are some of the common Spanish conjunctions. The conjunction y changes to e if it precedes a word beginning with I or hi, but not for words beginning with hie. Aprendemos español e inglés. Corrí por arena y hierba. The conjunction o changes to u if it precedes a word beginning with o or ho. ¿Quieres viajar a Sacramento u Oakland? Pero, mas, and sino can all be translated as but they are used under different circumstances. Pero is used to contrast two statements. Tengo hambre, pero no me gusta esta comida. Mas is also used to contrast two statements, but is more common in formal writing. Tu hermano es grande, mas no fuerte. Sino is used to affirm something that contrasts a previous negative statement. No estoy aquí para pelear, sino a hablar. Mi abuelo no está enojado, sino triste. And for those who are not aware, here are some examples of stating neither nor and either or in Spanish. No deberías beber alcohol ni fumar. No quiero ir ni al cine ni al parque. Queremos ir o al cine o al parque. Ni and the phrase ni siquiera can also be used to mean not even. No quiero ni hablar contigo. Ni siquiera tu padre sabe. There are also plenty of subordinating conjunctions. Comemos antes de que salgamos. Estudio para que saque buenas notas. Now, if you are familiar with the subjunctive, you will notice that the verbs salir and sacar in those two examples are conjugated in the present subjunctive. Many subordinating conjunctions do necessitate the use of the subjunctive mood afterwards. Later on in Unit 2, we will explore the subjunctive and its uses in more detail. And that's it, a very basic summary of Spanish conjunctions. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.